Hi everyone, my name is Karen and I'm a multimedia artist. In this video, we're going to kick off day 1 of our 24 days of gouache challenge. Let's see what this beauty has to offer today. I'm excited to see what color we're gonna get, and let's get painting. Okay guys, so let's see what day 1 brings us. I'm really excited to see what color we're gonna get and how this is going to challenge us. Day 1. Okay, we gotta move some out of the way because these paints are always so tight inside this package. Ooh, so we get this pretty avocado green. I don't know the right name as far as the palette goes, but this is a greenish, yellowish kind of color. I'll call it avocado green. So I'll be using the black mixed media for this one just because it's such a light color and it won't stand out that much on a stark white paper. So what I'll do, I'll just grab my big sheet and I'll split that one in 4 because since I'm learning with this medium, I'm trying to keep this as simple as I can. So we're going small for these ones. Even though these are giving me Grinch vibes, I'm going to keep it as simple as I can. So I'm quickly going to sketch a round circle because we're going to be painting a wreath. So I start with very diluted gouache paint and I'll start with my underlayers. So I'll put my sketch on top, which are gonna be the ones that I would like to be the brightest, but I'll start light. And then I'll put in some more diluted paint for those pine needles. And this way I can give it a little bit more dimension and make the layers pop out of the page. So I'm also adding some little berries, some eucalyptus looking flowers. Greenery. I'm not much of a botanist, so I don't know much of the terms when it comes to florals and leaves, but this is what came off the top of my head. So here we go with the berries, and I try to layer more and more paint so it looks brighter on the page. And here's where I start with my silver ink. I mentioned before that I will be using one of the inks, whether it's white, gold, or silver. And right here I'm just adding a little bow. I added some more of those berries and some little spigs, if you will. And that brings this to completion and we sign our work. Here is our little Christmas wreath using only avocado green and silver acrylic ink. I am really happy the way this turned out, even though we kept it as simple as I could. I am learning with this medium and I had a lot of fun creating this. I hope you are as well. I hope you're joining me in this journey, and I would love to hear your comments. All right, everyone, so that was day 1 of our 24 days of gouache challenge. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please subscribe and leave in the comments any suggestions or ideas. And if you would like to keep watching, just stay tuned, put in the notifications because I'll be doing the rest of the days. Happy holidays, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.